Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to reset your TV time password to export your data. The GDPR Save and Export Data Troubleshooting Guide. So first you can simply enter GDPR self-service. Then you will see a link TV time GDPR data exporter where you can easily sign in and then get your data. You can download your all watch history, all data from your TV time. So here, before exporting your data, if you forget your password, here you will see a forget your password area where you can simply enter your email. Now click on send reset link and then this link will send to your email. After that, I am using here temp email to show you. Then here, once it will refresh, then you can simple here you will get the recent link. Now you can here tap on the link to reset my password. Now simple enter your new password here. Okay, then confirm your password and click on reset password and then your password will be reset. Now again open this website, wait, go back, tap on it. Now enter the password email and then enter your new password and then click on sign in and then here you can easily download your data. So wait, I think I enter my wrong password or previous one. Yes, here you will see. Now my password will successfully reset it. Goodbye.